Hi, Ricardo. Great to have you here today. For those who don't know, Ricardo and I are peers in the same team at Microsoft. So, Ricardo, can you tell us a little bit more about what you do at Microsoft?
Of course. Hey, first of all, Thomas, thank you for having me here. It's a pleasure to be here. I'm a principal product manager, and my role is about getting all the different technologies that we build in Adaptive Cloud and putting together those experiences that showcase our customers how to use Adaptive Cloud in the real world to transform their business.
So, I know that you're working a lot for Microsoft Ignite these days. So, what is the team building for Microsoft Ignite this year?
You know, Thomas, a lot of what we are building, I cannot say yet, but rest assured that the main focus for Ignite is to bring the adaptive cloud components in a way that folks can actually experience it in the real world.
So that is pretty cool and sounds really exciting. So, what do you think will be the coolest thing at Microsoft Ignite this year?
Oh, well, two things. First, folks who have the opportunity to have direct interaction with the engineering folks like you and me and everyone else from the engineering organizations that will be there. But secondly, you know, I mentioned about creating those experiences. I want to switch to my screen here and give just a very quick sneak peek of what folks can expect to see. Like what you are seeing is a real-time live feed coming from one of our labs where I have this miniaturized fluid processing facility. Think that you usually see equipment like that where we create fuel or handle any type of fluid processing. Equipment like this is generating a considerable amount of time, a considerable amount of data, hundreds of times a second, right? So what folks will see in Ignite is how we bring data from equipment like what I'm showing here, and visualize and get insights about what's happening. So like over here, you can see a Azure Data Explorer report showing how that particular equipment is operating. Now, all of this is possible because of Azure IoT Operations. Azure IoT Operations is one of the components of the adaptive cloud approach. And here, just showing a quick glimpse of how we map all the data points from industrial equipment in a way that is easy to bring the data into the cloud. And this is all backed by Arc-enabled Kubernetes, right? Arc is the connecting tissue of adaptive cloud, allows you to monitor, observe, and operate all your resources across everywhere. And over here, we can see all the extensions in my Arc-enabled cluster. And that's the way we host Azure IoT Operations that allows us to bring all the data to the cloud. And then finally, this is just a quick query on Data Explorer showing that real-time data. So everyone going to Ignite should expect to see something similar to what we show with much more use cases, and that's what exciting. I am definitely looking forward, one, to being working with you at Ignite, and two, to see everyone come and visiting us. So it will be super cool.
Awesome. Thank you very much, Ricardo. See you at Ignite.
It was great. Thank you, Thomas.